What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. New challenge. Let's shuffle the deck here. I'll probably cut this out because who wants to see me shuffle and possibly have to pick up all of these cards off the floor? Okay, so before I pull this next card, go down here under the video, hit that little red button that says subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. We'll welcome you into the NTLP family. We have tons of fun here. I teach you guys everything about landscape photography, cameras, drones, whole bunch of other stuff. Good time to be had by all. So do that. And while you're down there, hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Okay. Two of Hearts. That is emotions or feeling. And the emotion and feeling that is related to the Two of Hearts is cold. That couldn't have been a better pull. It's winter right now, and it's cold. So, there you go. There's this week's assignment. Make sure you use the hashtag NTLP52CHALLENGE on Instagram so all of us can take a look at each other's work. And be nice, everybody. There could be some beginners here. We're supposed to be supporting each other. Just have fun with it. Support each other. So, let's see those cold photos. Once again, hashtag NTLP52CHALLENGE. Make sure you use that on Instagram when you post it. So, let's go. All right, guys. I'm going to leave it at that. Wow, that was a loud bang. Sorry about that. Sorry to your guys' ears. Sorry. It's so Canadian. All right, guys. I'm going to leave it at that. Once again, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. Hit that share button. Hit that bell notification. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. So, we'll see you in the next one. Not yet. Peace. Thank you.